Today we are going to study about greenhouse. The greenhouse, otherwise called polyhouse. The last class we have studied about horticulture. So this is the one of the subclass of the horticulture. We know that the horticulture is nothing cultivations of vegetable fruits. Otherwise we call this a agriculture, cultivation of agriculture. So horticulture, from the horticulture we have studied how to cultivate the vegetables and how to cultivate the fruits. So today we are going to study about a greenhouse or polyhouse. This is one of the very interesting topic which is help us to study about greenhouse or polyhouse, which help us to cultivate the plants, vegetable or fruits. So every day we have to cook. If we want to cook, vegetable is necessary for our nutrition. If you want to get the vitamin, we need to eat fruits. So it is necessary for to cultivate the fruits. So plants, it's one of the important nutritions to the human being by providing the vegetable fruits. So how to construct the greenhouse? So that detail we are going to study now. So when you look at the greenhouse, so this is the structure. So the artificial method. So already I told that during the horticulture, all the plants not able to grow in same conditions. Some of the plants need hot conditions, some of the plants need cool conditions. So according to the plant environmental conditions, so we artificially able to give through the greenhouse. So for example, so in our area, so we cannot able to cultivate the apple tree, because what the apple tree expect the environment, it is not possible to give the nature environment. So if you want to cultivate that apple tree, it is possible when you make a greenhouse. So you can give the proper environment to the apple tree, which is grow in very nice. So that's the things we are going to study now. Greenhouse or polyhouse, it is the formed structure covered with transparent material to grow crops under partially or fully controlled environmental conditions to get optimum growth and productivity. So here the formed structure. So there is a structures they have given. So if the greenhouse means this the structure, it is best for the growth or it give the proper environment to the plants. Transparent materials. So why it is necessary for to use the transparent material? Because the plants need the sunlight. So if there is no sunlight means the plants unable to do the photosynthesis. So transparent material only help to penetrate the sunlight, which help the sunlight into the greenhouse. So when you look at this, it is these transparent materials. We can able to see what is inside. The same time, the sunlight also filter which light is necessary for the plants, so it penetrate through this the transparent material. So the situations partially or fully control and give the proper environmental conditions to get optimum growth. How much the growth may be occur in the plants, that much growth can be provided by greenhouse structure or productivities. So it can give good vegetable, good quality and good quantity of the vegetable as well as the fruits. So when we give the proper condition of the environment by keeping the greenhouse. So this nowadays some of the area they followed this, because there are many beneficial or many advantages while we are cultivating such a way. So we will see that. So first one, we can say that it is the fastest growing sector in the agriculture worldwide. So very fast we can cultivate, because this area is protected from the insects. So the plants need a certain environment, so that can be given by this greenhouse, and the water also we can provide easily, so we can avoid the waste of the water. So these are the things is very easy for to cultivate. That's the way it is a very fast sector in the agriculture worldwide. So nowadays the people are like to cultivate. So another advantages. So what are the first advantages? Disease free plants can be produced continuously. It means, because if there is some disease outside of the environment, so when these plants inside the greenhouse or poly house, the disease may not be get inside, because it is the good conditions and control conditions. That's the way disease free plants can be produced continuously in the greenhouse. Another advantage is water requirements of crop is very less. So when you compare with the open place cultivations, it need more amount of the water, because the environment is hot, means the transpiration is occur more, as well as the soil get wet very quickly. The water availability very short time. That's the way the plants not give proper water. When we are keeping inside the greenhouse, so the requirements of water is very less, because less amount of the transpirations, the soil cannot be wet very quickly. That's the way the plants always absorb water, because the availability of water can be maintained according to the plant species. So the plant's growth also occur without a disturb of the water. So this is one of the advantages of the greenhouse. So look at this, we called the drip irrigations. So the plastic pipes are there, drip irrigations happening here, only a particular area. So this is the under control the inside the greenhouse. So how much water is necessary, so they can provide only a limited water. If it is open place means so how much water we can use this area, it is not enough if you cultivate in the open place. So here we can avoid the wastage of the water. So another advantage is yield is very high compared to outer door cultivations. So when you compare with the outer door means is open place cultivations, but inside the greenhouse, so the yield is more because we can able to give the proper nutritions, we can able to give the proper environment, we can able to give the proper water content. So everything is very good inside the greenhouse means they are able to produce more amount of the fruits and more amount of the, or it will give high yield because the plants is receive the proper environment by greenhouse. So another advantage is limited pesticide is needed. So if it is a open place means it is not possible. So it is necessary for us to use more pesticide when you compare with the greenhouse. Greenhouse means so inside the control conditions, the insects may not comes inside. The same time the disease also may not is affected when you compare with the outdoor cultivations. Everything is a control conditions. That's why more or less we cannot use the pesticide when we cultivate the plants inside the greenhouse. So that's why they have mentioned is the limited pesticide is needed. So this is a open place. So it is a comparisons I have given this the picture. Another advantage is it provide, it means it's nothing, the greenhouse protects plants from uncertain environment. So it provide proper environment because everything is there control. The transparent material are used to filter the sunlight. The direct sunlight is not received by the plants. So only the filter which the plants is need for the growth or need for the photosynthesis only allowed by the transparent material. So that's a way, so we can avoid the uncertain weather which is not help for the growth of the plants. That's the way the plants is able to grow in properly in the greenhouse when you compare with the outdoor cultivations. So some more things we have to need. So normally the farmers cultivate the plants. So what are the insurance to the farmers? So insurance means is something we engaged with some payment when something is happen unnecessary unavoidable things is happen to the plants. So how that a farmer get the insurance? So insurance to the farmers, discuss in your classroom about the important crop insurance to the farmers. So look at this, there are two unavoidable conditions. One is a very dry condition. That's the way the plants is a drop out or the plants dried and died. So if the farmer is involving these cultivations, So if like this happening means the farmer is lost their money, they are not interested to cultivate. So look at this, the flood. So the plants is covered by the water. So this is also in uncertain weather to the plants. So this is also spoil the plants. The farmer expect yield may not get, or we can consider as a no more plants. So these two panic conditions, the farmers conditions not to cultivate the plants. So that's the way the government is a help to the farmer to encourage, even though there is uncertain whether this comes. So give the plant crop insurance to farmers, which is encourage the cultivations of plants by farmers. So there is one of the farmer app that we call the government of Tamil Nadu has launched Ulavan mobile applications. So there is the Ulavan mobile applications. It can be used by farmers to gather informations on farm subsides, farm equipments. So what are the equipments is necessary for farming? So where it is available? So how to use? So all the explanation given by through this the mobile app. Crop insurance, what are the crop insurance are is available, and weather conditions. So how will be the weather? So next month, so is there any rainfalls or is a sunny day? So all the things can be provided by the Ulavan mobile app. So it is launched by the Tamil Nadu government. So close to you, any farmers is there, you can encourage them to use this app. Another one, it also provide the information on available stock of seeds and fertilizers in local government and private sector. So what are the fertilizer is available, what are the seeds are is available. So we can come to know this the app. So what are the study material? So first one, give an account of greenhouse or polyhouse, advantages of the greenhouse. So it may be like a 4 mark questions. So very simple, the proper conditions, which is give optimum growth of the plants. So what are the insurance to the farmers? So these are the things we have studied through this video. Thank you.